Hey guys, we are here. I'm not a trendy person, so I don't jump on things right away, but we have finally made it to Dave's Hot Chicken over in New Caney, Texas. So let's go in and try it out. All right, guys, we've got our food, so let's check it out. All right, guys, I'm going in. Let's check out what the big deal is. With the pickle and the coleslaw, it has a little bit of an appeal, but the chicken by itself, I don't like the flavor. That's just me.
All right, guys, here we go. Trying the chicken sandwich, in my opinion. Go. Overall, not bad. It doesn't have a lot of flavor at all, the chicken. Over-seasoned, but it's not bad. The coleslaw and the sauce definitely helps, though, a lot.
All right, guys, here's the wrap up. Key takeaways, best thing was the French fries. The size of the chicken tenders was very good. They were good white meat chicken. Didn't like the seasoning, not my thing. I would take Popeyes or Wendy's over this. So we're going to go with a 7.1, and I probably won't come back.